Hi guys, new wheel day. So let's open this bad boy up. No, I'm not a YouTuber with a fancy knife, just a straight old pair of scissors. So big shout out to Speedy Feet. 8:30 this morning, FedEx arrived at the door. Box in a box, that's always a good sign. The slowest unboxing ever. That's just a little helpful guide from Speedy Feet. Speedy Feet stickers, awesome. Speedy Feet user check as well. Now this is good. Something you don't get when you go get straight from Begode. Pointless Begode manual and so-called certificate of compliance from Begode. Again, a pointless document. Why it's so small? That new wheel smell. Look, it's so little. Look at his little face. Look at his little face. Side pads to put on, and then all right. Let me turn that off. Okay. Hello. Ah, and we have balance. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is probably going to take a little bit of time to practice on, but how cute is this little thing? Look, even the badass light on the back. This awesome chunky tyre, and this really cool light. I think the light is like that, yep. Flashy light, running light. Really just going to have to practice on this because whilst I do ride, small wheels are, well, judging by the M10 that I stepped on, is a little bit more tricky. But yeah, let's get on with the ride next. Well, first attempt at a proper ride on the M10 It's tricky because it's really low down. It's like learning to ride again, but cool. Keep it here for more.